Dalia, to Yuval, and the Rabin family, to the Yitzhak Rabin Center, and to all who loved him. Thank you for bringing us together again in this sacred square, in his name, to carry on the work of our brother Yitzhak Rabin of blessed memory. Already more than 26,000 square miles were reopened at the end of July, and another 5,000 were reopened earlier this week. It's already outgrown this new 80,000 square foot facility that it moved into just 3 years ago. So at the height of the Civil War, Abraham Lincoln agreed to set aside more than 60 square miles of land in the Yosemite Valley, land he had never seen, on the condition that it be preserved for public use. First of all, I think it's very easy to square our military actions and our stated policies.
How do you roll the crepe?
Yeah.
Well, you can do it in square or just like this. I mean, that looks like a burrito here. Like a burrito.
Just before he retired from the company, he launched a plan to turn 65 million square feet of unused commercial rooftops into solar power stations, the largest array in the country, with enough electricity for more than 160,000 homes. And soon you'll add another 400,000 square feet of space on a new site next door. We announced a commitment to upgrade 300 million square feet of space, from military housing to college campuses. And some of these projects are breaking ground this month, So in June at CGI America, we announced initial commitments of $500 million to upgrade 300 million square feet of building space. Some of these projects are already underway.
Now it has grown about 1,700 square feet.
If we drilled every square inch of this country, so we went to your house, and we went to the National Mall, and we put up those rigs everywhere, we'd still have only 2% of the world's known oil reserves. Inch of this country, we'd still only have 2 or 3 or 4% of the world's known oil reserves. So what ends up happening is the price is impacted, even if we drilled every square inch of this country right now. We're going to be relying on other countries for oil.
The total polluted area is about 40,000 square kilometers.
Even if we drilled every square inch of this country right now, we'd still have to rely disproportionately on other countries for their oil.